Hi everyone. Have you ever heard grown-ups talk about stocks and bonds and wondered what they are? This video is for you. We're going to break down these big financial ideas into simple, fun concepts that a 10-year-old can understand. Investing is like helping companies grow bigger. You put some money in, and if the company does well, your money can grow too. First up, stocks. Think of a stock as owning a tiny piece or a share of a company. Imagine your favorite company, like a video game maker or a sneaker brand, as one giant, yummy pizza. A stock is just a small slice of that company pizza. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of the company. If the company sells lots of pizzas and makes more money, the whole pizza gets more valuable. That means your slice, your stock, is also worth more. But watch out. If the company does badly, maybe nobody buys their pizzas. The whole pizza becomes less valuable, and your slice loses value too. That's the risk with stocks. Now let's switch gears and talk about bonds. Bonds are different because they are about lending money. Imagine you get to be a bank. A bond is when you loan money to a company, or even the government. You lend them money for a specific amount of time. They use that money to build roads, buy equipment, or whatever else they need. When the loan time is up, they promise to give you back the exact amount of money you originally loaned them. This is called the principal. But that's not all. Because you helped them by lending money, they also pay you a little bit extra called interest. This is your reward for being patient and helping them out. So which is better, stocks or bonds? They are just two different ways to invest your money. Stocks mean ownership. They have more risk because the company might fail, but they also have the potential for bigger rewards if the company becomes super successful. Bonds are debt or a loan. They are usually less risky because someone promises to pay you back. The return is typically smaller, but it's more reliable. Stocks and bonds are two of the main ways people invest their money. They help businesses and governments grow, which helps the whole economy. When you invest, you're not just making money for yourself. You're helping companies build new things and create jobs for others. It's never too early to start learning about saving and investing. Keep asking questions, and you'll be a financial wizard in no time. Thanks for watching.